Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm sharing my Dubai haul with you, so if you want to know what I got, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I've been shopping here in Dubai and I really wanted to share with you guys what I got. So I was so excited because they have so many American stores here in Dubai, so I needed to take advantage of that. Little disclaimer to all of my friends, please stop watching if it's your birthday coming up, because I have some gifts to share with you guys, so I don't want you, whoever's watching who has their birthday soon, to know what they're gifted for their birthday, because I picked up a lot of birthday gifts. So just a little disclaimer for my friends. Alrighty, so I actually went to Bath&Body Works 2 times, and one time I picked up actually 5 candles. So I picked up these kinds of smaller candles. So they have one, I don't actually know what it's called. But yeah, I got Tiki Beach, I got Cactus Blossom, I got Champagne Toast, and I got 2 of them because I got one for my maid of honor and one for me. And then I got Black Cherry Merlot, and this one is for my mom. This tastes super good. And one of the other one is for my friends as well. And then I got soaps. So I actually got 6 soaps in total. So I got Japanese Cherry Blossom, and those are the foamy soaps, so very good. Then I got Champagne Toast, and I got 2 of those. Then I got Sunshine and Lemons, and I don't know like if this is any good, but it tasted good from smelling it, and I got it for my friend because it really matches her interior. So that's why I got this. I also got Sweet Apple because the packaging is just super nice and I love these soaps. And I got Rose Water and Ivy. So this is all of the... Oh, and then I got Kitchen Mandarin as well. So I got all of these soaps. I'm super excited about those. And then switching it off a little bit, so I got a lot of underwear actually from Victoria's Secret, and then I also got some from, it's Gilly Hicks by Hollister. I don't know if it's weird, but I got like these ones from Gilly Hicks. And from Victoria's Secret I also got underwear in here. But that's nothing I want to show you, but I wanted to share with you the cutest bikini bottoms in the world. So I got these bikini bottoms. I don't know if I'm supposed to say pricing. I'm gonna say pricing for this. They have like a little rhinestone Victoria's Secret here, and they're like a Brazilian cut, so they're not as much material. And I only got the bottoms because these were quite expensive. I got them in a size medium, and I think I paid around 40 euros for them, which was quite expensive for bikini bottoms, but I really wanted this. And then because I'm very cheap, I bought bikini top from H&M to match it, and it actually works really well. So I thought I would save some money there, because actually the top was like 60 euros or something, and I really didn't want to spend that. So I got one from H&M instead to save some money. So that's what I got there. And then let's continue. You probably saw that in the thumbnail. So I got something from Dior. I'm gonna do like a more in-depth review, but I wanted to share with you what I got. It's in a little Dior box. I got this from Istanbul airport, and I paid 310 euros for them, and they're the cutest little, I need to get up I think. So they come in their little dust bag, of course, and I got it duty free. So these little Dior earrings, I hope you can see. I will insert in some pictures as well, but I thought I would show you. So both of them look the same. They have like a little pearl and then a little star, and they just say Dior, and I just really like them. I really wanted Dior earrings since forever, so I'm so glad I got these, and I'm super happy with them because I feel like they were a lot cheaper. I have not found them on a German website. I need to look them up again because I'm not sure if they actually have them on a German website, but I will look it up, and if it's a lot cheaper I will write down below how much less I paid if you're interested, because I feel like Turkey or like Istanbul airport is really good for bargaining luxury items, so that's what I did. And now what did we get here? Okay, this is kind of random, so I got a lot of different face masks. These are Japanese face masks, so I got a huge box, and then I got some pink masks, essentials. And then, oh yeah, I went crazy with socks. I don't know why, but they were super cheap, so I got these Puma socks in like 3 different cute colors. So these are sneaker socks, and I got these like high-rise, and they have like a 3rd little Adidas thing, like a little Adidas emblem, and they're longer socks. I thought I would wear these with some sneakers. I thought that was cute. And then I got some more Adidas little sneaker socks like that. I also got a little bag. It's a little Nike sports bag, and I have one of these already, but this one, like, it was pretty big, so I got this one instead, and it was like 17 euros, so I thought it was a really good price. It's this pretty lilac color, and it has a longer shoulder strap that you can make like really long, and you can just wear it on the shoulder. So if you go to the gym, if we're allowed on to the gym, then I will definitely take that one with me. I'm super excited about that. And then what else did I get? Oh, this is really important. I got some gold because I'm in Dubai. So I actually got this top ring here. For my Tiffany engagement ring, I wanted like a ring that is above it. So this is 18 karat gold and like white gold and some zirconia, I think, just stones. And then I got these middle earrings, the gold ones that you can see right here. I will insert pictures of all of this because this is not really professional here, but I got these little middle earrings for both sides. These are 22 karat gold, and yeah, I wanted just like simple little hoops for the second holes because I thought it was really cute. And yeah, I had some studs in there from Astrid and Miu, and they became really rusty, so I wanted to get new ones, so that's what I did. And then I went to some Japanese store called Miniso Japan, and I also got some stuff. So first off, I got an umbrella because it's raining in Germany, and somehow I'm always losing all of the umbrellas we have, so I got an umbrella. And then I got some hair clips. I got this one, and I also got a different, oh yeah, it's in here. I also got a different hair clip, so this is just really cheap. And then I got this pair of hair ties, which is super cute, and also these hair ties, like little mini ones, super nice for if I'm braiding like 2 braids. And then I just got some hand cream, 2 little hand creams from that store. Actually, I thought I got more. I didn't get that much stuff. I'm pretty proud. So this was all of the things I got from Dubai. I hope you really like that. Of course, I got some other stuff. Like I got a perfume for my mom, and yeah, some other bits and bobs, but I think this was about it for like all of my stuff and some gifts for my friends. You can definitely like probably see which ones I bought multiples of and which one I'm giving away to my friends. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Tell me what your dream honeymoon destination would be. Actually, it was in Dubai for us. It would have been a huge road from Vancouver all the way down to San Diego and then to Hawaii. We really wanted to do that, but we still have our church wedding left, which will not be until like 2023 or 24, something like that, so we could do that afterwards. So tell me a dream honeymoon destination down below. And with that being said, thank you so very much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you for the next one. Bye bye.